Welcome to Lagoon 2026, where we share new rides, new food, new thrills, and what's open or closed. We'll also share tips to help you avoid long lines. Join us for this ride.
New ride at Lagoon in 2026, Nutcracker. Let's check. This is a line in the morning for the Nutcracker. I'm expecting maybe an hour wait. That is a huge.
I love you, hun. Lagoon's new Nutcracker is not just a swing ride. It towers more than 100 feet tall, reaches a dynamic height of nearly 150 feet, and sends riders flying at nearly 70 miles per hour. Built by Utah-based S&S Worldwide, this massive screamin' swing delivers huge airtime, sweeping park views, and a ride experience that is smooth, fast, and intense.
Amy survived the Nutcracker.
I survived it. You get this combination of high G's with right at the top this 0G. But if you look at the swing, it goes like this. And that's kind of the point where I was like, all right, I can do this. It freaks me out. And kids, little kids going, that was great, that was fun, that wasn't scary at all. Lots of people just excited and loved it. For me, it was just my fear of heights and that, and then it was organic.
It'd be interesting to have a ride on a Nutcracker, but you're not sure if you or your child can ride on the west side from Nutcracker. You can find this seat. Inside you can actually sit down, put it down, and all what you need to do, just look on a green light, go.
There it is. I got the t-shirt. Oh my goodness, look! That's beautiful from the
Can I
park.
change another side also?
The other side, it's beautiful.
On both sides. They changed the center fountain. They actually added very beautiful installations, peacocks. I love the design. On the side, if you remember, it was kind of like waterfall around. They remove flowers, they add more seating area, the fixed fountain on the middle. They removed the rocks. If you remember, it was the rocks around the fountain. Yeah, and they removed the rock in the middle.
Oh yeah.
It used to be
The rolling rock.
ball right there,
And
they removed the ball from both sides. So they clean up all of this area.
New truffles in here.
Candies?
Right?
Okay,
Yep.
let's go look. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
I'm the only one to eat
And those are the honey.
And I have my shirt.
Are those? Is there actually honey?
No, this one is just our fudge love one. Same one.
The fix-it ball machine.
Oh, okay.
Thursday at Lagoon, and it's just crazy. Right now, I think it's like only past the 11, and it's already, I can see long lines everywhere. On the mouse ride, you see how long the line on the Wicked, and it's
on Wicked?
Yes, it starts from here. It's go all the way right there.
Oh my goodness.
The
Wicked.
Colossus is not yet running.
Enough people.
Yep. This one is
But that
almost
one's
no
going.
line. So the train is also closed. We'll see.
That's interesting.
The tidal wait is closed. Almost all kids' ride is open. It was grand opening last year, and this year is still have people around, of course, because today park is super busy.
It is busy, but look at that line.
Oh yeah, the
Oh,
lines
nice.
is longer here. And we have also another smaller swing.
Tense, I think.
Oh
Yeah.
no, Rapid River is open, Emma.
I told you.
Wow.
They just don't open up the little waterfall
Guess
that's
we're
gonna
going
get
where
you.
we're going now.
No.
But they turn off the waterfall.
Yeah. They turn off the waterfall that guarantees somebody
so
will
usually
get
the
it.
water.
Oh,
Oh no, it's kind of a little bit.
There's a little.
Oh, and they're turning back on. Uh-oh. They turn it
It
on.
was a lot. they
We
turned
turn
it
it on.
You think
Oh
it's
no! Oh no! Done. Nope, we're not going, Emma. I thought it's all, but they just turn it on.
I noticed another things they gone here. They used to wash the rocks. Used to buy and they have it like wash. You remember? For the rocks or other things here.
Oh yeah, I guess
It's
they
gone
stopped
now.
doing that.
Yeah, they removed that.
But
And
you
I said it's gone today, but when we ask, the
They'll be giving it back.
Yeah.
Giving it back. A new,
New one,
They have a
probably.
new one.
yep, the bath is open. However, the line on the bath stopped right here. Yeah. And I think,
Season, there's all these.
oh, look at this. It's a long line. Well, Jetstar 2 is gone. However, Wonder.
This has got to be a clue. The other time we had a clue, remember?
Yep. Oh.
And it was the Nutcracker ice.
Ready, set 2027.
Ready, set, 2027.
Oh, I bet it's something like racing going on.
Oh,
Yeah, Jetstar is gone.
oh, that's sad. And to see it all empty and see the signs.
We spend almost all day in Lagoon, and tell you the truth, I think this is the biggest opening of the Lagoon. Amount of people here.
The biggest I have ever seen. It is so nice though outside.
It's a beautiful temperature. It is 71 right now. Hot enough. They open even waterfall in the
Rattlesnake Rapids.
Yes. And it's a lot of people here. Most rides is open, so the rockets and blast off, they're all opening, they're working.
Let's see.
But oh, it's longer going. Oh wow, that is a long line to remember.
They're like, we don't need this little
Yeah.
fence here
When
anymore.
it's still going there. I think it's about hour wait.
No, that's like an hour and a half, sweetheart. Wow.
You think hour and a half?
Wow.
So Samurai seems like down, but they have people there.
Or
Nobody
maybe not.
riding. I don't think it's open. See, it's closed.
Oh,
It's temporary closed. But it seems like people walk there. So I think it's just for today. This probably will open soon.
A lot of
Yeah.
things they probably
The big wheel is not open.
gondolas on all of them are gone.
Oh yeah, you're right. Look,
They're not
the
there.
wheel probably longer because they don't have it any
Wow.
seatings. You probably now you need hold with your hands, Emma.
Yay.
Cannibal is closed as well. So then maybe I also explain why we have too many lines in other places, because the Screamers is open. So this one is open. I love this. Is one of my favorite actually. I like that one because spray water. Look, all kiddie rides is open. Except one of the dinosaurs is closed. The shutter, one is open, only Ladybug open and Dino is closed. I do like how they open this area now. With those, the peacocks and everything, I think it's a very fun area. Right here actually will be pretzel place. I think it's kind of cool when they have it. Yep, there you go, the pretzels. It's just similar big pretzels like in other areas. Every year in the spring at Lagoon they have a funnel cakes festival. What is this?
Caramel
crisp?
apple crisp.
I'm out here with the Davis Catalyst, and we're out here giving out free funnel cake samples. This is caramel apple crisp, and we're here at Pioneer Village over by the Navajo hot taco spot, and it's really good. Come out here and try some. We'll be here every Saturday and Sunday for the next 4 weeks. I'm Brady with the Davis Catalyst.
Okay, after these great introductions, you must try
Caramel apple crisp. So apples, cinnamon, caramel, funnel cake. And this is like the perfect size.
What do you think? It's good?
Yeah, the funnel cake is so crispy. It's crispier with
It's
it.
evil.
It's
My
perfect.
hands is all full. I cannot try it. No, I have it mine. I'll have it mine. She's teasing me. because one hand hold camera, other one hold my sample, and Amy eat up front of me, make me drooling like a mad dog.
Okay.
Oh, okay, now you're holding and I'll try it.
Okay.
Who does not like the fried dough with the sugar? You can hear how crispy it is. Piece of apple here, okay. Oh, this is good apple.
Isn't it good?
Yeah, that is. You know, I'm sad
Has
they
this
won't do this
converted
all
you
the time.
to apple crisp?
I don't know about apple, I just convert me to fried dough.
To cooked apples with cinnamon and sugar on them.
Wow, unbelievable. Oh, there's a...
Look at that.
It's
Oh,
the
yeah.
coconut blackberry funnel cake flavor that
wow.
we made. We worked at Catalyst at my school, and we basically came up with these funnel cake flavors, and we partnered with Lagoon, so now they're being served here. And you can actually buy like a big version of it too, which is super cool, honestly. And this is like my first time really cooking and everything, so it's been a lot of fun. So
And I noticed you are the one probably who made this.
yes.
You
You know
developed
why
it.
I can tell? You have a sugar powder in your face. So what is inside here?
So there's whipped cream, coconut, and then there's powdered sugar, and they have a blackberry like glaze on it as well. And then
Oh.
there's an actual blackberry on it too.
So every sample come with a real the berry. The berries. It's good berry. It's actually not sour. Beautiful. And I have a coconut right here. I want to grab some of the coconut glaze, everything. I love coconut. Great combination.
Flaky coconut. Oh, I see. They have like the blackberry puree there. I'm gonna try. Whoa, a bite of this first.
It's interesting, but it is different from other one because
It is.
other one with apple was, but this is wow.
Funnel cake is so versatile. I never thought about it like that.
It's a base.
And the coconut is the right kind of sweetness to go with this blackberry. Yum. Oh wow. That bite of coconut with it. So delicious. This year, they are changing the system a little bit. You'll get a new QR code and you will need to renew the picture on your photo pass. Now, you can take your picture at home a couple days before you come in, or you can go here where they will take a picture of you for your new physical pass. Plan on either staying in line, and if you did take your own picture, you'll need to get a physical pass here at Guest Services. Thank you for watching.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.